back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So by the title of the video, you guys already know that I'm gonna show you my bag collection. I have only few bags, so I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna tell you which is my favorite also. And I'm also gonna tell you guys that where I bought the bag also. If I'm gonna find anything online, I'm definitely gonna link it in the description box, so please do check it. So guys, the first bag is this sling bag. This is in the nude shade. I hope you guys can see the color. This bag is from Lulu & Skye actually. I'm gonna open and show you guys how it looks. So this is how it looks from the inside, and you can pair these bags with any dresses. This perfectly suits while you're going for a party or a function. So guys, the next bag is also a sling bag, which is also from Lulu & Skye, and you can see the details. It's like flowers, and there is a brooch also here. It's really pretty bag. It's black color. It perfectly goes with all the attires. This is how it looks from inside. So guys, next bag is this bucket bag, which I got from I guess Club Factory, and I think I remember the price. It's around 300 or something like that. It's really nice. I mean, the quality is not so great, but for 300 bucks it's like okay. And it's like you have to pull it like this with the chain. You have a chain so that you can pull it like that, and you should also open it like this. It has a huge mouth. The detailing are really nice guys with this pearl, and you can carry it like this. So guys, next bag is this one. So I don't know the brand. I bought it from Myntra. I'll see if I can find it out. So this bag, it looks like this from the inside. You also have a pouch which can also be removed, and it can be attached with this hoop. This bag will go perfectly while you're shopping because it has so much space inside, so that you can keep all your shopping items inside. And also while you're going for a trip or something like that, it's huge, so it perfectly suits with that. So guys, the next bag is this backpack. This bag I got it from US. My husband had traveled to US, so he bought it for me from there. This bag, it's so small and it has so many compartments guys. One over here, this one, and one the big one, and inside this you have one more compartment over here, and here you also have a zipper. Yeah, you also have a zipper here, and you have mini compartments, two other compartments over here, and at the back there is one compartment over here so you can slide your phone or something like that, and also a zipper. And you also have water bottle holder on both the sides. Yeah guys, you have so many compartments in this chota bag. You can use it as a backpack like this, and also like one sling bag also. Remove this, you can remove this and also use it as a sling bag also. So this is one of my favorite bag. It's really nice. I mean, this is the second favorite actually. The first one is this one, and this is my second favorite bag because it has so many compartments. So guys, the next bag is also another backpack which is from Roadster. This is how it looks from the inside. It only has one zip, and you have one inside, and these two compartments over here. And this is like fake zip, nothing, you can keep it inside. This is also really nice bag. This bag I bought it from Myntra. It's really nice, it's really handy when you're going out. So guys, the next bag is this cute mint and pink color bag which I got 5 years ago. So this is really special because I got it when I had been to Malaysia. It was like my first international trip. Bought it because I really liked it, and it was like trend at that time. Transparent bags were really trend at those times. It has a cute logo over here. So guys, the next bag is this brown khaki color bag which I got it in I guess Bata. I bought it in Bata, I guess. Before I was traveling somewhere, I guess. I don't remember where. So that I can carry all my passport and all the documents inside, and it's also really huge. It's so huge. So huge that you can fit so many things inside. and it's perfect for while you're traveling and you need all the things inside this, and also while you're going for shopping. It's perfect for shopping and traveling, guys. It's a tote bag. Guys, the next bag is this pink bag, also called a bucket bag. I've not used it even once actually. This is how it looks in the inside. Then you have a separate pouch which you can remove it. This is also from Lulu and Sky actually. You can remove it and you can use it like this only. Then it will be like a transparent bag. So guys, the next bag is this black color bag, which I have not even used it once also. This is how it looks from the inside. It's simple plain black bag, and it also has few compartments like a zipper compartment and 2 other compartments also, and one zip, main zip also here to close it. And guys, this is also from Lulu and Sky, and this is really nice bag, and it will be really nice bag for your brunch and lunch. Really nice bag for your brunch and lunch. Guys, the next bag is this black one. This bag was also bought from Myntra, I guess. This is something brand called Yellow, YELLOE, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. This is how it looks from the inside. It's really nice bag. This goes perfectly for function wear, for a night party, reception or something like that. And things have something in this bag actually. I have my glasses. I don't know which one is this. Oh, it's my reading glass. It's my reading glass. This is how I look in my reading glasses. I'm gonna remove it. Okay, so I was telling you guys about this bag. Yeah, this is also a really nice bag, and it has something like this. So it's really nice bag. It also has 3 compartments, 1 zipper compartment and 2 pouches like compartment over here. So guys, the next bag is this sling bag, which I got it from Shivajinagar, I guess. 200 or 250 I paid, I guess. It's like this. It looks like this. It has 2 compartments, and it also has few card holders. This was really trend at that time, like a year ago. Everyone had this bag, so I had to get it to follow the trend. Guys, the next bag is a clutch. It's from Caprese. It looks like this. It has many compartments actually. It has a compartment over here, and you have compartments over here, and so many card holders, and also compartment here. I'm not using this currently actually. So guys, the next clutch is this cute shining glittery clutch, which also I got from Lulu and Sky. This is how it looks. It also has compartments. 1 compartment over here, and 1 here, and 1 here, and also you can put your photo over here, and these many card holders. So I bought it because I was carrying this huge bags. I could never find my cards or cash. That's the reason I bought this. So the next one is a card holder, which is in the black color, and which I'm currently using. It has my cards and few cash. There is no brand in this. I bought this from Myntra only. So I'm done. These were the bags I collected from a year and a half. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you liked it, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Also in the comment section, let me know what you guys want to watch next. Bye.